Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows stuck on boot logo problem in your Windows in a very simple way. For that, what you can do, first we have to check the problem. So as you can see here, the problem is Windows logo bar stuck spinning dots keep turning. So if you're getting this kind of, getting things ready, spinning dots in your Windows, then what does it mean? It means boot process has started, but Windows is stuck at some stage and can't complete startup. Basically, visually, like it's power on in your PC, Windows logo came and it's stuck here, and it's not giving you the login screen. Basically, this common reason happened because of your corrupted system and startup files, problematic driver, and recent Windows update causing issue, and startup problems and disk file system errors, or maybe hardware or storage failure. On that occasion, what you can do, we can first step go to the save mode. To the save mode, what you have to do, you have to start your PC again, and when the Windows logo appears, force to shut down. Basically, hold your power button 5 to 10 seconds and repeat this 2 times. And on the third start time, Windows will start open the automatic repair settings. Like this, you can simply see automatic repair sources. So you're going to get this message, automatic repair settings, and here you have to press advanced option. After clicking on advanced option, you have to come over into this choose an option into troubleshoot. You have to click on troubleshoot, and then into troubleshoot you have to come over into advanced options like this. After into the advanced option, you're going to get startup settings over here, and then you're going to get the restart or startup settings. Into the settings, you're going to get the enable safe mode over here, as you can see, and then you're going to get the restart option. Simply click on the restart option, and then you're going to get the startup settings over here. So from here, what you have to do, you have to press use the number keys or the function keys F1 to F9, something like this. You have to simply click on the F4 to enable safe mode. After you're going to come into the safe mode over here, and your safe mode will be looks like this, as you can see. After come over into the safe mode, you have to simply go to the diagnosis or the fix setup. So first, what you have to do, you have to simply install recently installed driver or updates, and then simply disable startup programs that you simply run. And then you have to run system file checker. Simply type sfc /scan now, and then simply run this one. Simply type restore health. Simply type this restore health DSIM --online /cleanup image /restore health, and simply check the disk, and then simply restart your PC, and then it will going to fix your problem 100%. So yeah, this is how we can simply fix your Windows get stuck on boot logo. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you. If it's helped, then simply comment below. I hope to see you for other videos. Till then, goodbye.